Let's understand the path. First of all, let's echo the path. So we're going to use echo %path%. And as you can see, we're getting the entire path of our PC. Our path includes everything where we can search for files. So to find a file, for example, we can use where, followed by the name of the file. So let's say Python, for example. And as you can see, now it searches this entire path. So everything we have added right here. So we have, for example, C, users, Gani, documents, Mongosh, and so on. So we have a lot of paths in here. Every single one of those paths will be queried. And if we find our Python file right here, we will output the path to this file right here by using where followed by the name of the file. And as you can see right here, we find this file inside of MSI S64 folder because I have my Python file saved right here. I can also say, show me Adobe, for example, and now could not find files for that given pattern. So if that file exists inside of this path somewhere, there will be an output. Otherwise, it won't be an output. So if I'm going to search for some random stuff, it's also not going to find anything. We can also temporarily add something to our path by saying set path equal. So whatever will come after will be our new path. And maybe it might make sense to add the old path to the path that we're going to set right here. So we'll add that one, followed by a semicolon, because you see the individual paths will be separated by using a semicolon in the original path as well. So this is something you have to do. And now you can add whatever you want to have right here as well. So you could, for example, say I want to add C:/, and now whatever you want to add. And let's just say I want to add this folder. So I'm going to execute that one. So this will temporarily add this path right here to the path, or this directory right here to the path, to be precise. And now we can again say we want to echo our path by using echo %path%. And as you can see, right at the end, we are having this folder right here that we just previously added. So now if we're going to use where, for example, we will also search inside of this folder for this program. We can see the current window version by using where, for example. So you can see I have version 10.0. whatever. We can also get help by using the help command, followed by the command we want to get some help on. So let's say we want to get some help or some infos about delete. So I can just use help del for help delete. And you can see we are getting some information right here, deletes one or more file. So the delete command will be used to delete one or more files. You get some extra information right here below. And if you want to get a little more help, you can also use delete, for example, /%. And again, you see right after this comment, we are again getting some information about this command. For a lot of commands, this is exactly the same as using help followed by the command name. But if you want to know the difference, using /? is oftentimes going to give you a little more information, but for some cases, help and /? will give you the same information.